Corrosion is a natural process that involves the deterioration of materials, usually metals, due to chemical reactions with their environment. It is a common and often unwanted phenomenon that can lead to the degradation and weakening of structures, machinery, and various objects over time. Corrosion can occur in several forms, with the most prevalent being Number 1. Rust. Rust is the most well-known form of corrosion and specifically refers to the corrosion of iron and steel. It occurs when iron reacts with oxygen and moisture in the presence of electrolytes, such as salt water or acids, to form iron oxide, which is the characteristic reddish-brown substance we associate with rust. Number 2. Galvanic corrosion. This type of corrosion occurs when two different metals are in contact with each other and are exposed to an electrolyte. One metal becomes the anode and corrodes, while the other becomes the cathode and remains protected. This is a common issue in plumbing systems, for example. Number 3. Uniform corrosion. This type of corrosion occurs evenly across the surface of a material, causing a general thinning or weakening of the material. It is often the result of exposure to moisture, air, or chemicals. Number 4. Pitting corrosion. Pitting corrosion involves the localized formation of small holes or pits on the surface of a material. It can be highly destructive, as it concentrates the corrosion in specific areas. Number 5. Crevice corrosion. Crevice corrosion occurs in small, confined spaces or gaps where stagnant solutions or moisture accumulate. This type of corrosion can be especially problematic in joints and seams. Number 6. Stress corrosion cracking. Stress corrosion cracking is a phenomenon where a material cracks or fails due to the combined effects of stress and corrosion. It typically occurs in environments where the material is exposed to both corrosive agents and mechanical stress. Number 7. Intergranular corrosion. Intergranular corrosion occurs along the grain boundaries of a material, typically due to the differing chemical composition or impurities at these boundaries. Corrosion prevention and control are important in various industries, including construction, transportation, and manufacturing. Strategies to prevent or mitigate corrosion include using corrosion-resistant materials, applying protective coatings, for example, paint or zinc plating, using sacrificial anodes, controlling environmental conditions, for example, reducing humidity or temperature, and employing cathodic protection systems. Understanding the specific type of corrosion and its underlying causes is crucial for selecting the appropriate prevention and mitigation methods. Additionally, regular inspections and maintenance are essential to detect and address corrosion issues before they lead to structural or equipment failures.